Why e be say one of the easiest thing to do na to whine black man? E dey so easy to whine black person. I remember that time wey dem make Obama president during the elections when Obama go be president. If you see the way Africans dey so excited, that time I dey Cote d'Ivoire. Then Cote d'Ivoire people dem go dey say Obama, Obama. Na so dem dey call Obama for French with French accent. Obama, Obama, Obama. Now I tell the people wey I dey live with, I come tell their son, their first son, I come say, why una dey so excited say dem make Obama president? Like, if dem make am president, how that one wan really help us for Africa? They hear everybody dey friends, they no even hear me. But at the end of the day, after Obama become president, how e take help us? How e take help us? Abeg, I go talk the matter wey I wan talk today after this time, and make una no go anywhere. Okay, for those people wey no know, make I give small background. Recently for news, they don dey clamour, podcasters or everybody, they don dey clamour say genocide dey Nigeria, say dem dey kpai Nigerian Christians, say make people do something. Now recently, American government, Donald Trump say if Tinubu no do as e suppose do, anything when he say make e take im head carry am, say they go just come save us. You know, that kind of thing. You know, I don't know how people they look at America. People they look at America, they look at America like who they look there like Superman. Superman say once they come, everything will solve. But if you go Iraq today, after they invade Iraq, wetin really change? Wetin really change? Now, I not just want to talk, make it just be say I dey talk from my mind. Okay, you get this podcast for YouTube wey they call Wholeheartedness Podcast. So this lady for there, she come dey talk wetin dey happen for Sudan. As we all know, Sudan now dey under intense, they get like eternal problem, like civil war. You understand? And because of that, so she dey ask this particular woman, she dey ask American government, okay, the rumor, everything na rumor dey say na all these Middle Eastern countries, whether na South, all those Middle Eastern countries, Middle East, na im dey give arms to the rebels wey dey cause yawa for Sudan, wey make, if you see the videos for Sudan wey don come out, very gory videos. Na so she talk. So she say those people wey dey give them arms, why American government dey supply arms to those people? You go wonder, if America, they really like Africans, they really like us so much, why be say they go allow nations wey dey supply rebels, people wey dey cause yawa for Sudan, why be say allegation why be say they dey help them, they dey give them arms? Why they not say okay make dem stop arms? Now see Nigerian case, e get one guy wey dey call David Hundeyin. David Hundeyin na journalist wey don work extensively. In fact, the guy no dey Nigeria again. You know why? Because they won't buy the guy. The guy don't uncover a lot of things when they happen for Nigeria, for state government level, Lagos state, and also for national level. So because of that, the guy they alert David, and then he say they won't buy him. Now the guy know the Nigeria again. He don't run come out because he be like say he say in life they danger. So that now one. Now David Hundeyin, since he get one thing when David Hundeyin they talk, say this American government, make una know they look them as say they too like us. So for example, we know the recent election, 2023 elections, people say a lot of issues dey. A lot of issues dey. Now, not make we not even talk about that one. Okay, after the elections, even though things never really settle, people they say a lot of issues dey. American government, they just congratulate our sitting president. They congratulate am. One thing when American government need to know now, say the best way to stop any kind of genocide or whatever they say they happen for Nigeria, insecurity problem, now to make sure say they no support bad governance. One, bad government wey no dey do well, government wey dey corrupt. Make sure say they know they harbor them. All these our corrupt officials, they get, some of them get dual citizenship. Make sure say they revoke their citizenship. Make sure say they don't allow them build property, get properties for that side. But American government and all these Western nations, they go welcome them. They go do wetin they like there. When they don't collect money from here, they go take and go do wetin they like there. They no go sanction them. Then later they go say they like us. That will not be even the thing. David Hundeyin say he get one time when he write report. He write this report. He join this group of journalists. He don't even know wetin dey happen there. No, they tell them make they write report. It be like 5 years ago. He write one report. They talk about the insecurity situation for Nigeria. This report, I think now like 5 years plus. So not be new thing. It not be new thing. Now, people, the rumor where they talk about Sudan will say the reason why people they put eye for Sudan and say New Sudan get one deposit. They don't find one mineral for Sudan. Sudan, they very rich in oil, reserves, not be oil. They in some mineral deposit. So the issue now, they will not want to let Sudan rest. People they sponsor directly or indirectly, they sponsor rebels so that they go make that place ungovernable. They go fit sneak in they steal things. Now, when it comes to all these mineral deposits, we for Africa, our technology never too strong. So most of the time, we dey need help of the people from the Western world to help us to process our mineral deposit, even to excavate am. So e just be like say all these ships wey dey excavate oil from under the sea. Trust me, no be local people, no be Nigerians. You go see a lot of expatriates. Now that's why most of these companies like Shell and all these companies and all these other oil companies, now oyibo dey work there. Now oyibo dey work for the technical places. Even though black man dey there, you go see say oyibo na im go dey supervise everything. So our technology never still sound. Now they say wetin dey happen for Sudan, they like am like that. E dey happen because people want opportunity to go there, go steal their mineral resources. When unrest dey, dem people go dey fear, everybody go dey run. So anybody wey come do wetin dem like, nobody go fit talk. Now we see say Nigerian, then he say make we look this pattern. He say make we look this pattern. Say now these things wey dem dey say all these people rebels, they do this, they do that, they come Nigeria, they cause problem, all these Islamic fundamentalists, Islamic extremists. He say when you look the regions wey dem dey concentrate on, like now a state like Plateau, even Middle Belt, say David Hundeyin say these places they get some mineral reserves, some wey most of us no even know. We no dey talk about oil, they get some mineral reserves wey dey very very vital. Now this one wey America dey come, we hope say they wan come help us, they wan come save us. We hope say their saving or their help no go be say because they see resources for there. You know, they still carry rumor that time about Iraq, say because Iraq get oil, American government dey look for opportunity to go explore oil. Na make dem lie say weapons of mass destruction dey Iraq. Na so George Bush talk. By the time the war finish, they do the war, they find out say not one single weapon of mass destruction dey Iraq. They just look for excuse to enter. So we have to dey very careful. Make we no dey look America like Superman. Oh, hey, Superman wan come save us. Superman. Make we ask ourselves, make we check our motive. If you ask me, I go say the solution for Africa na from Africans. We know say we get bad leadership. That one nobody dey talk am. For all levels, na federal, na state, a lot of things dey happen. Na ministers or na governors, a lot of things dey happen. You go hear say this minister collect this money, this minister collect this money, this governor do this governor do that. So a lot of, when it comes to governance, issues dey Nigeria. But make we no go jump for frying pan to fire. If America wan help us, the best way they go help us na to make entrenched democracy. No be say they go put person when they like or when they feel say na their own. We don get a lot of unexplained people kpai unexplained in an unexplained way. Abiola, you see the way Abiola kpai na, many of una fit no know. They say na tea drink, next thing now the guy don go. So and we dey wonder, things dey happen. So we dey wonder wetin American interest be for Nigeria. Na say they really like us. And if they really like us, why e be say e go be like say from back they dey support people wey question mark dey their name, people wey get some question mark. At least for 2023 elections, me I no get any person when I support for the three of them, Obi or Atiku Tinubu, but all of us go say at least when it comes to track record, I think Obi na the best. For the three, the track record, Obi na the best. Why be say America not put hand to support am? Now they can't like us. They no know say na good governance dey cause insecurity system to stop. If now we get good leaders, trust me, fundamentalists dem no go fit do wetin dem dey do. At least e go dey reduced to the barest minimum. Other people no go fit do wetin dem dey do. If okay, but let's even say America come, they help, they stop the thing when they happen for north, or when they happen to Christians, Nigerian Christians, they stop am. What about road? What about all those bandits now when don dey different parts of Nigeria? This one, they no dey do am because you be one religion or the other. Their own na just money. They go collect money from you. So make we think. America, wetin their help be? Rather, I go think say make we, instead of being excited. I don go one journalism workshop one time for Ibadan. When I go there, one Oyibo journalist for Ibadan, they organize am for investigative journalists. One Oyibo journalist, they talk say, if you see, she dey allege on her allegation say she do one report say American soldiers, if you see wetin they do for this place, this particular place, if you see wetin they do to people, they grape women. I no wan call the word, but you understand, they grape women. They do a lot of bad to women for that region. They try to hide them, but this journalist come, she was so determined, she can't expose wetin dey happen. So abeg, make we dey careful. American government now, see Ibrahim Traore now, e dey do im own jejely o. E wan make the country dey better. E dey try to do things together. But if you see the rebels now, the rebels dey cause a lot of problem. And people dey allege, people like Hundeyin and some people, they allege say these foreign governments, they get hand for the matter. They don't really want Africa to prosper. So before we dey accept offer, abeg, as human being, even as nation, before we accept any offer, make we look the thing again. make we sure say no be bubu yere dey do us, so make we sure say they really want to help us. Abi wetin una think? Make una put una wetin una think for comment. So till I see una for the next video when I go talk about any issue wey dey pending una. So